Good morning, everyone. It's your English class, and today we are going to study our next topic about articles. So let's get started. Chapter 4 Articles. So, dear students, a few things we understood about this topic in our previous class, like a and the are our articles, right? And okay, once again, let's understand about this. And one exercise also we did that. So, in English, there are three articles, a, and the. Articles are used before nouns or noun equivalents and are types of adjectives. The definite article is the is used before a noun to indicate that is identity of the noun is known to the reader. An indefinite article a or n is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known, right? There are certain situations in which a noun takes no article. So in simple words, dear students, you can understand articles are a type of adjective, right? So a, n, and the, these three words are articles. A or n, these two words are called indefinite articles. Why we say them indefinite articles? Because these two articles are used before indefinite nouns, right? And which nouns are definite, we should use the article, right? So now we have to understand. I told you in your previous class also. So when things are understood, things are clear to reader and speaker. They both know about what they are talking. It means that thing is definite. But if they don't know, means like a listener doesn't know about which thing speaker is talking, so it means that thing is indefinite or general, right? I tell you this point with some examples. Suppose you say that switch on the light, switch on the bulb. So it means you also like you are saying switch on the bulb means listener also know that about which bulb you are talking, and speaker also knows that, right? But if you say switch on a bulb, it means many bulbs are there and you are not talking any a definite bulb. So you are saying that any one bulb you can switch on. Okay, when things are definite, things are clear to listener and speaker or reader writer, those things are called definite. If either reader doesn't know or listener doesn't know, so those things are called indefinite, right? Regarding this, we did some exercise, means like first exercise we did and many sentences we did in this exercise. So I told that if I say I have book, I need to fill here I have a book, because I am talking about a book and that is indefinite. If I say I have a nice book, so again I need to use this means a word I have filled for book, but according to nice, according to the sound of nice, I have filled a, not n. I have interesting book. Here I need to fill n because I am talking about one book, and the sound of interesting, initial sound of interesting is interesting start from vowel letter. That's why we need to fill here n, not a. Right. Next point I told you I have nice books. In this I will fill no article, means a or n I will not mention here because I'm talking about more than one book, right? So that's why books word is written there. That's why we need to mention no article here. Actually, this exercise we did in our previous class. That's why I'm not asking any question regarding this exercise. I have 1 rupees note. I'm talking about one note, and I'm saying 1 rupee note. So initial sound of one is v. That's why I have filled A here, not N. I met an honest boy. I met an honest. O sound is there. We are talking about one boy, and O sound, that is vowel sound, is there. That's why we need to fill here N. I have met honest boy who gave you the wallet. So here I need to mention the, because we know that about which boy we are talking. That is, I have met the honest boy who gave you the wallet. So we are talking about a particular boy. Listener also know that, and speaker also knows that about which boy we are talking. So that's why we need to mention there the, right? Next point, this exercise, like dear students, if I say please switch on a fan, by this I want to make you understand what are the definite things and what are the indefinite things. Please switch on a fan. It means I'm talking about any fan. Suppose in your classroom or in your room, two fans are there or three fans are there, and I want to say that please switch on any fan. So I will say there, please switch on a fan. Means I'm talking about any definite, sorry, indefinite fan. But instead of this, if I say please switch on the fan, it means I'm talking about a definite fan, right? About that fan, listener and speaker, they both know. Okay, so it can be there according to situation. It can be possible there is only one fan, right? So about that I'm talking, right? Or it may be possible there are more than one fan, and under one fan I'm sitting, below one fan I'm sitting. So that's why I want to indicate that fan, and I want to say please switch on the fan, because I'm sitting below that fan. Call a boy. If I say call a boy, so I want to say call any one boy, right? If I say call the boy, so it means I'm talking about any definite boy, right? So this is the difference between definite and indefinite. Now, dear students, according to this understanding, we will do this exercise. Fill the suitable article. Okay. So our first sentence is that I have dash pen. Dash pen is so beautiful. So which article will come here? Three option you have: a, n, and the. तीन option आपके पास: a, n, and the. Which article will come here? Raise your hand, please. Very good. Come on, do fast. Okay, let me do some setting from my end first. Let me make this box little more large. Dear students, remember this, you need to turn on the video first, then I'll give you the chance. Okay. Manika, you please tell me, first of all, turn on the video. Manika, Ria and Rishabh, please don't start the video. When I'll say to you, then you can start. Ria, sorry, Sia and Rishabh, please stop the video. Manika, please unmute yourself. Manika. Okay, I think she has gone. Okay. Vaibhav, you please turn on the video. Vaibhav, please turn on the video. Okay, now please tell me what can be the answer here. Articles A, N, or the you have to fill here.
I have a pen. The pen is so beautiful.
I have a pen. The pen is so beautiful. Dear students, the answer is absolutely right. Firstly, in first fill up, we need to fill A, means I have a pen. The pen is so beautiful. Yes, very good, right answer. After giving the answer, please mute yourself and stop the video. So you can see, dear students, firstly, I'm talking about any one pen, that is indefinite. But I have a pen means description I have given, that I have mentioned it already. So next time if I use the pen, so I need to use the there, because I am talking about the previous pen, right? I have a pen. The pen is so beautiful. So this pen is the same, right? Which was in the first fill up. That's why that has become definite. So in second fill up, we need to mention there the. In first fill up, we need to mention here a. Next sentence. I gave him apple, but he did not eat apple. What can be the answer? I gave him apple, but he did not eat apple. Yug Chaudhary, you please tell me. Start the video. Yes, Yug, please tell me what can be the answer here.
Yes, sir. Sir, I gave him an apple, but he did not eat the apple.
I gave him.
A apple, but he did not eat the apple.
Okay, so your half answer is right. Second fill up, da will come, but in first fill up, an apple. Apple, you can see that sound of apple is apple. A sound is there. Okay, that's a vowel sound. That's why we need to mention there. Okay, please stop the video, Yug. So in the second fill up, we need to mention da because we are talking about a definite apple. So we are talking about the definite apple. That's why we need to fill da in the second option. But in first option, we are talking about any indefinite apple. So that's why we need to mention there either A or N. So according to sound, initial sound we need to mention. So initial sound is vowel sound. That's why we need to mention there N, not A, right? Next sentence. One day I saw one-eyed man. One-eyed man was injured in a war. So what can be the answer here? Who will tell me? Raise your hand, please. Prince, you please tell me. Prince, start the video. Yes, Prince.
Sir, one day
One day I
I saw
saw a
a
one-eyed man.
the one-eyed man was injured in a war.
Very good. Right answer. Stop the video and mute yourself. Yes, right answer. We need to mention here, one day I saw a one-eyed man. I need to mention here a because initial sound is v. One-eyed man, v. V is consonant. So with the consonant, we need to mention a there. In the second fill up, we will mention the because previously we have mentioned that one-eyed man. That's why that has become definite. But in the first fill up, that was indefinite. Next, principal has come. A principal has come or the principal has come. Two options we have, a or the. Which option will come? Who will let me know? Natik, you please tell me. Natik, please tell me. Start the video first, Natik. Natik, start the video first. Nitya, you stop video. Natik, please tell me what can be the answer here.
Sir, the
Yes, da is right answer. Very good, Natik. Stop the video. So da will come here. The principal has come because now we are talking about a definite principle because whenever we say this sentence, so listener and speaker, they both know that about which principle they are talking. That's why we need to mention here the principle has come, right? Next sentence. I want to buy silver. I want to buy silver. So which article will come here? A, N or the? Three option you have. A, N or the. Silver. Sir sound is there, so N will not come. So now we have two option, A or the. So which will come? Raise your hand. Sia or Rishabh, please you try. Start the video first. Very good.
Sir, I want to buy a silver.
I want to buy a silver. Okay, yes. Who is there?
Sir, only I am there.
Okay, okay.
Rishabh is there.
Okay, Rishabh is there. Okay. So Rishabh, your answer is not right. Actually, silver is uncountable things. And A or N we fill with the countable things. Okay. Which are the materials
Yes, sir.
name? those things are uncountable, right? Like silver, gold, iron, steel, water. So which things are material nouns? Name of materials. So those things are called uncountable. With the uncountable, we can't fill A or N, because A or N we fill when things are countable, and along with this, things should be in singular form. Secondly, means first, secondly should be indefinite. That should be indefinite, that should be countable, that should be singular. Then we can mention either A or N, right? So no article will come here. I need to say I want to buy silver. Okay, but see the next sentence. That's quite tricky sentence. Remember this, I'm saying tricky sentence. Silver of Punjab is remarkable. Silver of Punjab is remarkable. So which article will come? Silver of Punjab is remarkable. So which article will come here? Manika, you please tell me. Start the video. Manika, please unmute yourself.
Sir, the silver of Punjab is remarkable.
Again, tell me, please.
Sir, the silver is remarkable.
Very good, very good. The silver of Punjab is remarkable. Dear student, now you can see we have mentioned da here because we are not talking about any common silver or like any general silver. We are talking about a particular silver, like definite silver, right? So there we can mention da. When we talk about any countable noun or any uncountable noun, either that's a singular form or in plural form, but that should be definite. So in that condition, we can use da with those articles, with those nouns. Okay, so da will come here because we are talking about silver of Punjab, not any general silver. Okay, so that's why we need to mention there da. Very good, Manika, you have given the right answer. Next, dog is a faithful animal. Dog is a faithful animal. So which article will come here? That's also quite tricky sentence. Who will let me know? Saksham, please you tell me. Saksham, please you tell me. Okay, I tell you. So dear students, da will come here. The dog is a faithful animal. Actually, dear students, when we talk about any entire race, entire community, so there we can use da. Okay, like the dog is a faithful animal. I'm not talking about any single dog. I'm talking about the entire community of dog. So we can say here that dog is a faithful animal, or instead of this also we can also say dogs are faithful animals. ओके जब हम किसी की पूरी जाति की बात करते हैं तो वहां पे उनके साथ दा लगा सकते हैं. That's why we need to mention here the dog is a faithful animal, means I'm talking about the entire community of dog, entire race of dog. Second means next sentence, she is most intelligent girl of our class. She is most intelligent girl of our class. So who will let me know the answer of this sentence? Very good. Many have raised their hand. Nitya, you please tell me. Nitya, start the video please first. Nitya, you please start the video first. Yes, Nitya. Unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Nitya, please give me the answer. Yes, please give me the answer. A. She is the most intelligent girl of our class. Okay, so you have tried, Nitya, very well. But answer is da here. She is the most intelligent girl of our class. So dear students, whenever we use superlative degree, whenever we use, most intelligent is a superlative degree. So with the superlative degree, this is the rule in English. So whenever we use superlative degree, so we need to use the with the before the superlative degree. So we need to say this sentence: she is the most intelligent girl of our class. Okay. So by these examples, I'm teaching you rules also. Okay. So if your answer is wrong, so don't feel bad, because you are trying. That's a great thing. Next is Rahul is intelligent. Rahul is intelligent. So which article will come here? That's quite tricky sentence. I want to see who can give me the right answer. Again, I tell you that's a quite tricky sentence. Okay, let's ask from Manika. No, Muskan. Muskan is left. We haven't asked any question from Muskan. Muskan, please start the video. Muskan, please start the video. Yes, very good. Okay, now please tell me, Muskan.
Sir, N.
N. Actually, Muskan, no article will come here. Okay, I tell you why. Rahul is intelligent, we need to say, because we know that articles means a, an, or the. We use for nouns. Okay, not adjective. Right? So intelligent is here an adjective, not noun. So if I say Rahul is an intelligent boy, so and we have used for the boy, so noun is not here. If I say it is nice, so you can see that there is no article. But if I say it is a nice pen, so our word has been used for the pen. Pen is a noun. So I want to say you there is a no noun. That's why
Sir.
we can't use any article, because nouns are used for the articles are used for the nouns and pronouns.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so no article will come here. If I say she is a beautiful girl, she is a beautiful girl, so I have used for the girl, that's a noun. If I say that she is beautiful, you can see that there is no article, because beautiful is an adjective. So same way intelligent is an adjective, so that's why we can't use here any article. Next, Rahul is an intelligent boy. Here I can use an, because actually I want to use this n for boy, and according to this initial sound we need to use n here, not a, right? Next sentence, who is next student? Who is next student? Who will let me know which article will come here? Vansh, please start the video. Vansh, you start the video, please, and tell me the answer of this. Vansh, yeah, very good, right answer. Who is the next student? So dear students, in English some words are there. With them we should use always the, like the first, the last, the next, the previous, only, same, flowing. So remember these words. Whenever you write these words, so you need to write the before these words. The first month, the last bench, okay, the previous bench, the only boy, the same boy, the flowing question. So we need to use the with these words. Next sentence, earth revolves round sun. Earth revolves round sun. So which articles will come here? Who will let me know? Anshuman, beta, please write your admission number, name and roll number. Anshuman, write your admission number, name and roll number. Otherwise, you will be removed from the meeting. Okay, so let's ask the answer of this question from Vaibhav. Vaibhav, please tell me, start the video. Start the video first. What can be the answer?
The earth revolves the sun.
The earth revolves round
Around the sun.
the sun. Very good. In both the options, the article will come. You can see the answer. So the answer I haven't written, but da will come. I tell you why da will come. These things are only one of their kind, like earth, sky, moon, sun. So dear students, with the earth, with the sun, with the moon, with the sun, with the sky, sorry, so we need to use the article because they are only one of its kind. So that's why, because of only one of its kind, those things are definite. So that's why we need to use the with them, right? Next, in India, there are many rivers, but Ganga is my favorite one. So which article will come here? Who will let me know? Okay. Rishabh, you please tell me, Rishabh and Sia. Start the video first. Very good. Sia, please tell me. Unmute yourself first of all. Unmute yourself. Yes, Sia, now.
The.
Yes, Da will come. In India, there are many rivers, but the Ganga, what's written there, please? But the Ganga is my favorite one. Yes. With the names of the river, we need to mention the. Remember this rule? With the names of the rivers, we need to mention the article. Very good, right answer. Next sentence is that we should not give him advice too intelligent. We should not give advice too intelligent. Which article will come here? Sia, please stop the video. Sia, please stop the video. Okay, so which article will come here? Rachit, you please tell me. Rachit, start the video first. Rachit, please start the video first. Very good. Now, please tell me, try to give the answer.
The.
Da, yes, very good. Da will come. Actually, I told you intelligent is an adjective, but here I'm telling you the second rule about the adjectives. So we can use the with adjectives when we represent the entire community. Okay, so if I say the intelligent means I'm talking about all the intelligent people, right? The intelligent means intelligent people. If I say the poor, it means poor people. If I say the rich, it means rich people. Remember this: intelligent, poor, rich. These are the adjectives we can use in the with the special case when we have to represent all the people of that type. So we need to use the with that adjective. Okay, so if I say the intelligent means all the intelligent people. Okay, we should not give advice to all the intelligent people means the intelligent, right? Next, more we get, more we desire. More we get, more we desire. Which article will come here? Yug Chaudhary, please tell me. Start the video, please, Yug. Start the video first. Now, please tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, the more we get, the more we desire.
The more we get, the more we desire. Dear students, whenever we use comparative degree, so in this case, so in this sense, we need to use the. जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि जितना तुम ज्यादा सोचोगे उतना तुम्हें ज्यादा सोल्यूशन, उतना ज्यादा तुम्हें ज्यादा समझ में आएगा. उससे जितना तुम ज्यादा पाओगे उतना ज्यादा तुम्हें और डिजायर होगी. तो सेंस के लिए हम दा यूज कर सकते हैं. द मोर यू गेट द मोर यू डिजायर. जितना ज्यादा तुम पाओगे उतना ज्यादा तुम इच्छा करोगे. So for comparative degree, for these sense we can use the here, right? Next, higher we go, cooler it is. Higher we go, cooler it is. So which articles will come here? Raise your hand if you can give me the answer. Saksham is there. Saksham, please tell me. Start the video, please. Okay, I think he doesn't want to give the answer. Okay. Sia and Rishabh, please you tell me the answer. Start the video. Unmute. Yes.
Sir, the higher we go,
Hmm. The higher we go, next.
the cooler it is.
Very good. The higher we go, the cooler it is. Very good. So whenever we use comparative degree for this sense, we need to use the here. Okay. जितना ज्यादा हम ऊपर जाएंगे उतनी ज्यादा हमें ठंड मिलेगी, यानी कि जितना उतना इस सेंस के लिए हम दा को यूज कर सकते हैं whenever you use comparative degree. Very good, right answer. India is a great country. India is a great country. Which article will come here? Muskan, please start the video. Yes, Muskan, please tell me. India is a great country. Which article will come here?
Sir, the.
Okay, yes, you have tried very well. Actually, no article will come here. So rule is that whenever we say any proper name, right? So India's proper name, India, Pakistan, China, America. So these are the proper names. So with the proper names, we don't use any article, right? But see the second sentence. India of 21st century has become a superpower. India of 21st century has become a superpower. So which article will come here or no article will come here? Please tell me. Vansh, you please tell me.
Sir, the.
Yes, the here, yes, the will come here. Dear students, you can understand this point. Now I'm not talking about any general India. So about India of 21st century, right? So of 21st century India I'm talking about. So that has become definite. So that's why we need to use here the India of 21st century. In 21st century ka jo India hai. So for this case we should use the article. Next sentence, poet and dramatist have come. Poet and dramatist have come. Who will let me know? Okay, actually we don't have much time, so I tell you the answer. Okay, please down your hand. So in this sentence, da will come because we are talking about different person, because poet is someone else and dramatist is also someone else. So that's why I can say the poet and the dramatist have come, right? But see the next sentence, poet and dramatist has come. You can see here, has I have written. So has, we know that when we talk about one person, and have we can write when we talk about more than one person. So now dear students, we have to understand dramatist and poet, they are one person, not different persons. Okay, so कोई person है जो poet भी है and dramatist भी है, that's why we need to write here the in the second fill up, no article. But you can see have we have written, so it means we are talking about different person. Poet is someone else and dramatist is also someone else, right? So dear students, that's enough for today, and rest of things we will discuss in the next class. So now if you want to